I feel whole again. Like, I just been feeling so ugly.
On my knee, all this big get, hop off a chick, barely get rich. Cash do no more, I get a check. Be selling run on my pants and my jeans. She's not a dress, eat up a mess. I eat her flesh, you know the rest. Count up a hundred, couple Rolex. Shine like the sun, you truly blessed. Just on the table, and they clip up like I Uber these jets. This is on me, got my Gucci shirt wet. Him in my bag, gon' get used to the rest. With this school where they teach you for this. I earn this shoes for the drip I invest. I'm the boss man, I keep catching the dance. All the cool fast when they in with it is.
Now that I'm home, back on the road, we shut it down, where they sold. Checks on the streets, they number foes, sand on my feet, put it on toes, take it with me, double your dose, covered with angels that's watching my soul. Check out a bed, it's bigger windows, when I be the intent, but I got the info. I feel like I'm frozen, I'm covered in gold.
On my knee, all this big X, hop off a chick, barely get rich. Cash do no more, I get a check. Be selling run on my pants and my jeans. She's not a dress, eat up a mess. I eat her flesh, you know the rest. Count up a hundred, couple Rolex. Shine like the sun, you truly blessed.
You told me text me, really good boy like I Uber the jets. This is on me, got my Louis shirt wet. Said him in my bag and get used to these racks.
With this school where they teach you for this. I earn this shoes for the drip I invest.
What's up, K babes? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Chrissy K. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and welcome to my channel. So I finally got my hair done, y'all. I'm so excited. I feel whole again. Like, I just been feeling so ugly, but it's really because I haven't had my hair done. But now I feel happy again. I really love it. My hair looks gorgeous per usual. Y'all know I don't have stuff with my hair. It's really important. But I'm on the south side of town right now, so I was like, I gotta kind of pull an all-nighter. Well, not an all-nighter, but stay up for probably about like 2 to 3 hours and study for my exam that I have in the morning at 8 a.m. So I was like, I'm gonna stop by Insomnia Cookies. That's right here on the side of town where I'm at right now. Get myself some cookies because I'm just craving it. Like, and I don't really come on this side of town a lot because it's kind of far from my house. So I'm like, I'm about to get me some cookies real quick. So, but I just wanted to start the vlog off because I feel like I didn't do, you know, a little intro, let y'all know what's going on. Like, this vlog, it's just gonna be a little bit of everything, honestly. But anyways, I'm about to go into Insomnia Cookies, and I guess I'll talk to y'all when I get home.
Money, huddle, gotta, cuddle, lotta, order, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, your bitch, on a, wanna, come on, hold on, hey, come on, stunner.
Y'all, so I just woke up. Like, I was so tired last night. I just took a shower and I went to bed, but I woke up a little bit earlier so I can like go over my ABGs values because I'm about to take my exam on ABGs. So I was watching my teacher's presentation right here. She was just showing us how to do ABGs, and so I'm gonna just show y'all how I set up my chart. So, well, at least how she showed us to set up our chart. So I'm gonna put this right here. My handwriting is so bad. I literally forgot the values that fast, y'all. So I get to use this chart for my exam. They said we could use the whiteboard, so I'm so happy because I don't know what I be doing sometimes. The chart is gonna really help me. So yeah, I'm about to finish studying a little bit because our exam is at 8, so I have like 30 minutes to like really just go over everything. And then I'll probably get back on camera when I finish my exam. So I have this exam and then I have an ATI exam like right after. So I have a long day and I have to go to work. Like, it's just a long day. But I'm gonna check in back with you guys when I'm done taking my exams. What's up, you guys? So it's the next day. I forgot to update you guys after my exam. I took 2 exams. I took ATI nutrition exam and I took the MDC2, my second exam, and I did good on my MDC2 exam. I got a 74%, and then on my ATI exam I got an 88%. So I was happy about that. Yesterday was a full day. I went to work and then I edited for my YouTube video that's actually already out. By the time you guys see this, it's already out. I post every Wednesdays. If you guys don't know, now you know. So I'm getting ready to get my toes done, not my nails done, because I'm still in clinicals and I can't get my nails done. So I won't be getting my nails done for about 2 to 3 weeks from now, because that's when the semester will be over. But I forgot to even tell you guys why I'm like getting my hair done, my toes done and stuff like that. I'm actually going to Atlanta this weekend, so I feel like it should be fun. Really just to hang out with my sister and her friends, get some content and meet up I'm going to be meeting up with some other content creators, so I'm excited about that. So yeah, I'm about to go get my toes done, and I guess I'll just check back in with you guys when I'm done getting my toes done.
Money, huddle, gotta, cuddle, ladder, order, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, your bitch, on wanna, come on, holla, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, Benny, Hunter.
What's up, y'all? It's the next day, like 2 days later. I totally forgot to show y'all my toes. I was so freaking mad at how the guy did my toes. Like, first of all, when you go to the nail salon, do not get a guy to do your toes. Always get females. Y'all, I'm sorry, that's my sister in the background. But I just wanted to show y'all what my toes look like because I hated them. Hold on. Ew, that's how they came out. But let me show y'all the other one.
Look who's back.
Oh,
We'll be off soon anyway. So.
Anyways,
Yeah.
So today is Saturday. I'm leaving to go to Atlanta tomorrow, so I'm gonna go to a couple stores and get a couple of items that I'm missing so I can pack. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys on how much I hated my toes. They were so ugly. Like, it's not horrible, but I've had a better job. That's all I can say. I went out earlier and I bought some stuff because I'm about to go to Atlanta. This is like old stuff and new stuff. So I'm gonna show y'all everything I was gonna pack. So I got these shorts, some pretty little things. First of all, Urban was having a sale. It was like the sale plus an extra 40% off the sale. So this original price was $29.99 and I got it for, no, it was $39.99 and I got it for $17.99. Super cute. It's like a romper. So it's like, hold on, let me show y'all. So it's like this. And then you got a little tie in the front. It's gonna be real cute. Shorts, super cute. It looks really good on me. I love this. See what else I got. So I bought this denim dress. It's like, it goes over your head like this, real cute. I feel like I want to wear it with some gold heels, but this is super cute, and it has like a slit on the side. This came from Urban. So So I can't wait to wear this. I probably might not end up wearing this in Atlanta, but I'm gonna still bring it anyway. I got these pants. I know y'all seen these, but in a different color. It was like purple, black, and like, hold on, let me show y'all what I'm talking about. But it's the YouTuber Shayna Renee, and she had on some similar pants like this, but they were like purple, and it was super cute. So I feel like I want to wear this, but with a tied like t-shirt, because they're like flared at the bottom, come all the way down, stretchy of course. And I got these in a size small, and these were only 20. Yeah, these are $20, so that wasn't that bad. Then I'm gonna wear it with this bag that I got from Zara. I got this a long time ago too, and this was only $12 from Zara when Zara was having like their big sale from the winter time. That's when I got that. I got this top, cute. This is from Urban. This is another like little knit top that I got. I'm gonna wear this with some jeans, like if we go to brunch or something. Let's see what else I got. Oh, these shorts. Got these from H&M for like $7.99. I wear this with a white top. This is gonna be real cute. This is from H&M as well. Super cute. So yeah, I'm like just trying to put my bag together to go out of town, because tomorrow my best friend is coming to get me early in the morning so I can go to Atlanta. I'm gonna be in Atlanta for like about 4 days. Yeah, like 4 days, and I'm gonna come back because I got clinicals on Friday. I have to be back in Florida to do that. But yeah, I just wanted to, oh, I forgot, and I got this, y'all. I'm so dumb. I got this dress was like $6, $5.94, along with that romper. The romper that I showed y'all, it was like $6 because it was on sale. So crazy. I got this knit, it's like a racer back dress. Honestly, y'all, I'm not gonna wear all that stuff. I'm just bringing it just in case. Literally. White heels, of course, always. Oh wait, hold on. Okay, I'm bringing this too. Y'all probably seen this on my Amazon link. If y'all haven't, get it. It's this like set. It's like a striped little knit set. I'm bringing this with me, and it comes with the top. Super cute. I've had this for a while as well, and I never got to wear it, so I'm gonna try to wear it while I'm there. And I have this brown bathing suit. I actually have, this is from my own personal collection. I sell swimwear. Well, I used to. I'm really just getting rid of inventory, so if you guys would like to purchase what's on my site, it will be linked below. All of the bikinis are discounted because I'm just getting rid of inventory, because I just currently don't really want to sell anything right now. So I'm just getting rid of old inventory, and I do plan on selling something again, but just not right now. So this is going to be the end of the vlog, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I really was just prepping for Atlanta. This has been like a really busy week between exams and just we're getting ready to prepare to go out of town. But yeah, thank y'all so much for continuing to watch my vlogs, staying consistent with me. Make sure you follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you guys in my next video.